In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Ubereats income and deductions into Turbotax so you can start filing your taxes with ease. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will guide you through each step. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Turbotax official website. This is where you begin the process of importing your earnings and any associated deductions. The user-friendly platform will help you navigate tax season with confidence, whether it's your first time or you're a seasoned pro. Once you're on the website, the next thing you need to do is click on the sign in button. This will take you to a page where you can log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, it will also give you an option to create a new one. Your account is the hub for all things related to your tax filing, so make sure your information is up to date and secured with a strong password. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Turbotax homepage. This is the command center for all your tax filing activities. From here, you'll click on Federal to get started with your federal tax filing. This section focuses on your federal income taxes, offering steps and guidance tailored to your personal situation. Next up is clicking on Wages and Income. This area is where you'll enter all the income you've earned over the tax year. It includes wages, salary, and in your case, your earnings from Ubereats. Keeping track of all your income accurately is crucial for avoiding any issues with your tax return. Now navigate to self-employment, since your work with Ubereats falls under self-employment income. This section helps you handle your taxes as an independent contractor, ensuring you correctly document everything you need to. Here, you'll click on Revisit, which lets you review or update any previous information about your self-employment income to make sure no detail is missed. As you continue, the next step is straightforward. Simply click Yes to confirm you want to enter or edit your self-employment information. Again, precision is key, so be sure that all your income and expenses are accounted for. Finally, you will see an option prompting you to accurately report this income. You'll need to upgrade. This is a reminder that certain features within TurboTax may require a paid version, especially when dealing with more complex tax scenarios like self-employment. Weigh the features of the upgrade to decide what suits your needs best. And there you have it, your Ubereats income is now on its way to being accurately reported. TurboTax makes the filing process manageable, helping you ensure your taxes are filed correctly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your tax filing a little easier.